If your insurance company is trying to tell you you're responsible for paying your own attorney's fees for your Hurricane Ian claim, why don't we roll back the tape from the people who passed this horrible law to begin with? This is a transcript from Senator Boyd during the legislative session where this bill was being discussed before it was voted into law. And he clearly states that the legislative intent of this bill is to apply prospectively as opposed to retroactively, which means this bill will not affect policies issued before this bill was signed. And to be clear, this bill was signed after Hurricane Ian made landfall.